Hey guys, it's me, Joey the Gamer Chaser 1099, and there's a windstorm out here. It's starting to get kind of windy now. I thought it was gonna be like it's not that windy, maybe like 40-mile-per-hour gust, but it started quick. Like the winds got really strong at like currently time. Whoa. Okay. Whoa. Jeez. The winds get strong quick. In like 4 minutes, the winds are already at like 30-40 mile per hour gust. Jeez. But I'll update you soon. Okay, I'll update you soon. Alright, bye guys. More on Joey the Gamer Chaser. Peace.